Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you 4 different ways using which you can change admin panel URL path of your Magento store. Now before we go ahead and change the admin panel URL path, let's try to understand why it is important to change admin panel URL path. Security is a major concern for any e-commerce website. For Magento also, Adobe recommends that you have to change the admin panel URL path, make it unique custom admin panel URL so that it is not easy for any hacker to guess your admin panel URL path and get access to your admin screen. Now let's go ahead and see 4 different ways using which you can change the admin panel URL path. So the first approach can be changing the admin panel URL path from atcenv.php file. This file will be present in your project in the mentioned path. Second approach can be changing the admin panel URL path using command line. You can use command line also to change the admin panel URL path. Third approach is you can change admin panel URL path from your admin panel screen also. And if you are using Magento Cloud, you can change the admin panel by logging to your Magento Cloud interface also. And if you are using Magento Cloud, you can use Magento Cloud command also to change the admin panel URL path. Now let's go ahead and see how to implement all these 4 scenarios. So this is my Magento installation. Right now you can see this is my admin panel URL path. Magento2.com is the base URL and admin is the URL path configured right now. Now the first approach that we discussed is we can change admin panel URL path from aptcenv.php file. So this is my project installed. Now here you can see aptcenv.php file. This is the file where our admin panel URL path is stored by default. So if you have installed your Magento project but not changed the admin panel URL path, you can come to this file and see what is the current admin panel URL path. So in this backend section, the value of the front name is the current admin panel URL path. So right now you can see it is admin. I will change it to admin test and clear cache once. Config cache we can clear and test it. So I have cleared the cache. Now let's test it. So I have changed admin panel URL path to admin test. Now I will use that new path and try to log into admin panel. Now you can see admin panel screen is loading and the new admin panel URL. I will log into the admin panel and I am successfully logged into the admin panel. So you are done with changing the admin panel URL path and you can start using this new admin panel URL path. Now we will go ahead and see the another method we discussed, that is command line way to change the admin panel URL path. Now you can use this command to change your admin panel URL path. You can use this setup config set command to change the admin panel URL path. In this you have to use this variable backend frontend and whatever value you pass in this backend frontend parameter, that is going to be your admin panel URL path. So I will use admin command as my new admin panel URL path. It will ask for your permission that you want to override this value. Yes. Now the admin panel URL path is changed. So I will clear cache once and go ahead and try to log in to admin panel again. I will use this new path we have just configured. And you can see I am logged out from the system and admin panel screen is loading properly on that new admin panel URL. I will try to log in and I am successfully logged in. So this approach also works fine. Now we will go ahead and see the third approach that we discussed, that is changing the admin panel URL path from admin panel screen itself. So we are already logged into the admin panel screen. From here you can go to stores configuration section, scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see advanced section. Go to advanced and you will see admin tab. Click on that. You will see a group called admin base URL. So this is the section where you will be able to change your admin panel URL path. Now we have two fields here. Do not change the value for use custom admin URL. This is basically used to change the admin panel URL along with the base URL. So do not change that. Change the second field, which is use custom admin path. Select yes. Once you select yes, you will get the option to enter your custom admin path. Uncheck this and enter your new admin path. So I will enter admin. Just for testing purpose, when you are changing your admin panel, make sure it is a complex admin panel URL path if it is your production environment. Now I will go ahead and save it. Now you can see I am logged out from the system and redirected to the new path we have configured just now. I will try to log into the system. And I am successfully logged into admin panel. So we can see the third approach also works fine. Now we will go ahead and see the fourth approach, that is changing the admin panel URL path from Magento Cloud admin interface. So I don't have Magento Cloud access right now, so I will just explain you the process how you can change it. So if you have Magento Cloud access, either you can use this command, Magento Cloud variable set command, to change the admin panel URL path for your branch. To run this Magento Cloud command, you need Magento CLI to be installed in your local system. So this is the Magento CLI documentation which you can follow to install Magento CLI. And once you install it, you will be able to use Magento Cloud command to run any command in your Magento Cloud instance. So once you install the CLI command, you can set variable like this. Now if you do not want to install Cloud CLI tool in your local system, then you can log into Magento Cloud web interface, which you can access from accounts.magento.cloud URL. This is where you will get access to Magento Cloud interface. So once you log into Magento Cloud interface, there you can set this admin URL, and whatever admin URL you set there, that will be your new admin URL, and you can use that also and it will work fine. So if you are using Magento Cloud, either you can change the admin URL using this command line, you can change the admin URL using cloud interface, and also you can change the admin panel URL path from store configuration section even if you are using Magento Cloud. So in Magento Cloud we have these three options to change the admin panel URL path. Thank you. That's a wrap for today. If you liked my content, please like and subscribe. Happy coding.